YouTube, welcome back. We are on another test ride today, baby. I heard a lot about these 24 Roadglides, so I had to come see what they were about. We're on the one with there's a 24 Roadglide M8 117. I have not rode one yet. I've rode older Roadglides, but not a 24 yet. So I'm just going to give you my little...
She told you about sport mode and shit like that, right?
Yeah.
That's probably where we should be, man.
Okay. Sport mode it is. Yeah, but anyways, I came up here and I just wanted to give you my review on the bike, on the 24. I've got it in sport mode now. All the hand controls, dude, I'm more of an older sporty guy, so I'm not used to all this new stuff. Dude, it is a big bike though. I like it. I know it has like, I know it weighs around 800 pounds, this 24 model.
Just ride your own ride.
Yeah.
Don't worry about what I'm doing. I'm watching you, you know what I mean?
Dude seems cool on the test ride. Dude, and the new seats on these feel amazing. Then I really like this. This is a stock seat on this thing, and I really do like how it feels. Dude, the sport mode is touchy. I'm on the same bike as that right there. 24 Roadglide. I heard a lot about these things feeling good in corners. I'd like to try to get the tires warmed up first before I did anything too crazy. It feels good though. So far, I like it, dude. Like I said, y'all know I'm not a huge battery person, so it does feel good in the curves, dude. And the get up, it goes, bro. I like this a lot. I think it has like a 6 or 8 gallon tank. I tried to do a little bit of research, but I didn't have much time. This wasn't really a planned thing. I should have cleaned my visor better. I cannot see. But overall, bro, I really do. They're gonna turn me into a bagger man. Obviously, I'd have to change the bars up and stuff. But I like it, dude. Hopefully we get some open road here in a minute. Do a little pull for y'all. It feels very stable. Compared to my sporty, it feels very stable. Even at low speed turns, it doesn't feel like the bike's gonna fall over or anything. That second pulls hard, bro. I don't really know exactly what color they call this, but I really do like the blue on it. I like the blue and the black. I was just almost scraping the floorboard right there. If I did get one, obviously I'd have to do my own personal touch to it, but I'll get you a little overview of the bike and stuff too whenever we get back to the shop. letting me stir the tire leaving red light. I like that. Dude, for an all motorbike, I can't remember exactly how much horsepower and torque these make from factory. I had to put it on the screen. I'm sure y'all probably already looked all that stuff up though. But for just out of the box, out of factory, from factory, dude, this thing's pretty nasty. I like the fill-in lights on the back of it like that. I love the fill-in look. You got all your fancy controls, dude. So many controls, I wouldn't even know what to do with them all. And if you would like to see me test ride anything else, like any other kind of bike, it don't even have to be just a Harley. I'm willing to go out and test ride anything, do more research next time for one, but just give you my personal review of the bike and tell you how I feel about it. If y'all want to see any of that, make sure to comment down below what you would like to see me ride. Dude, I mean, I don't even know if my Sporty has that much get up and go, honestly. Like I said, I know they weigh around 830 pounds. And I know my Sporty don't weigh hardly that, so. But the new M8s, bro, I'd like to have one, but I just don't know if I got money bags like that. I don't know if I got M8 money. Look, it's a very stable bike. Very stable bike. I like it a lot. There's a little curve action here. Oh, my overall, dude, I think it feels really good at the curves. If I can just see through this visor. God, I need to think. I ain't gonna lie, dude. I think this is their demo bike. I don't know if it's just like the stock exhaust or what that I'm hearing. I feel like I hear a ticking noise, bro. It was ever since I left the store. I can't remember which bagger I rode last, but I can definitely tell you it wasn't as new as this one, and this one feels a lot nicer. Dude, it even pulls so hard in third, bro. And the suspension feels really nice too. Bro, it just feels like it pulls hard, like every gear. I think that's my first pull in fourth, but it feels like it pulls like, holy. Oh, he almost got it. Bro, I've had it in sport mode this whole time, so I'm sure that's helping it some. Because why would you want to ride it in anything else besides sport mode? Dude, and this seat is so comfortable. For a stock seat, they did this seat right for a stock seat. There's the little 100 miles an hour pull. Try to get you a little third gear 60 mile an hour pull here. Dude, it does feel very nice. Like, I like it a lot. 60 miles an hour, third gear. Dude, I mean, it pulls hard. I like it. I like it a lot. Overall, if you are thinking, if you got a Badger, if you're thinking about getting a Badger, come try one. Come try the 24 Roadglide. I was not a fan of these things when I first seen them. I was not a fan of the big new headlight, really. I was like, kind of, but it has grown on me. It has grown on me. And now after riding one, bro, I don't think there's any way I'll bring myself to buy one, just because I like to stunt ride and stuff, and I don't see myself stunting a 24 Roadglide. But I like this dude. Look, this is how you know this dude's cool. His helmet sticker, left lane is for crime. That's how you know I got the right test ride person. I think we're about to pull up back up to the dealership. This is gonna be my very short time that I just ride it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I should have more videos coming very soon, so stay tuned. Until next time, this is Dink Rides. Peace.